Hey everyone, I'm going to walk you through how to change your Vercel repository on the web dashboard in this video. First, log into Vercel and select the project whose repository you want to change. Click on the project name from your dashboard homepage. The project's overview page will open showing your deployments and settings. If you're using a team account, make sure you've selected the correct team from the team switcher before continuing. Next, click on Settings. You'll find this in the sidebar or top navigation. The project settings page opens with multiple configuration sections visible. In the left sidebar of project settings, click on Git. The Git configuration page displays showing the connected Git repository section with your current repository information. You'll see various Git-related settings here, including which repository is currently connected. Under the Connected Git repository section, click the Disconnect button. A warning modal appears asking for confirmation. The modal warns you that disconnecting will stop automatic deployments from the current repository. Click the button to confirm the disconnection in the modal. The modal closes and you're now presented with options to connect a new Git provider. You'll see buttons for different Git providers: GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. Click the button for your Git provider. If you're using GitHub, click the GitHub button. If you're using GitLab or Bitbucket, click the corresponding button. A list of repositories appears showing all repositories your Git account has access to. You can use the drop-down list on the top left to select a different Git namespace if you need to. Finally, click the Connect button next to the repository you want to connect to this project. The button appears next to each repository name in the list. Once you click it, your Git settings will reflect the newly connected repository. Note that only repositories where you have write access will be available for connection. After switching, you cannot redeploy old deployments that came from the previous repository. You can only create new deployments from the new repo. To verify the connection is working, push a commit to the new repository or manually trigger a deployment. Then check your Vercel dashboard to confirm that the new commit creates a deployment as expected. And that's how to change your Vercel repository. Thanks for watching.